Welcome to ezTalks. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the ezTalks app on your computer. To register your account, click on Sign Up, it's free. Next, check your email to activate the account and complete your profile afterwards. Click on Host a Meeting. The application will begin to download. Now, you can click on the file to install the launcher. After you launch the ezTalks app, you have two options. You can select Join a Meeting or Sign in. If you just want to join an ongoing meeting, click on Join a Meeting. If you would like to log in and start or schedule your own meeting, click on Sign in. After you sign in, you can see the home page including Start a Meeting, Join a Meeting, and Add Contacts. Click on Join a Meeting, input the meeting ID and your name to join the meeting. Click on Add Contacts. You can import contacts from Google and Outlook or add the email address manually. Click on Start a Meeting. The audio window will pop up with the dial-in numbers, meeting ID, and participant ID. You can invite the participants by your contacts list or invite them by email. You can also copy the meeting info in this step and schedule a future meeting on the ezTalks app. Click on Schedule a Meeting. Input the meeting topic, the starting time, duration, time zone, and you can write a description for the meeting. Also, you can enable the recurring meeting. Then, you can change the frequency of the recurring based on daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Once you schedule a meeting, you can invite the participants by email or invite by contacts list. Finally, you can add it to your Outlook and Google Calendar or the default calendar on your computer. On the meeting page, you can check and manage the upcoming, history, and recurring meeting. On the message page, you can check all our conversations and continue to chat here. On the contacts page, you can double-click the contact to start an instant meeting or send an instant message. Thanks for watching!